In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your accounts receivable aging report in QuickBooks Online. This guide will help you manage your finances more effectively, so let's dive right in. To begin, the first thing you need to do is click on the Sign In button on the QuickBooks Online homepage. This step is straightforward, but it's essential as it allows you to access your business data securely. By signing in, you're ensuring that the platform can personalize your experience, keeping everything safe and in one centralized place. Once you're signed in, the next step is to choose QuickBooks Online from the available options. This is your portal to a range of features that QuickBooks offers, and selecting it ensures you're navigating your financial data with the right tools at hand. QuickBooks Online is user-friendly, making it a favored option for many businesses looking to streamline their accounting processes. After selecting QuickBooks Online, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Here, you'll input your unique ID and password that you used when you initially set up QuickBooks. Remember to double check this information to avoid any login errors. Once you've entered your credentials, go ahead and click Continue. This step is crucial for keeping your information secure, as QuickBooks employs stringent security measures to protect your data. Now that you're logged in, you're ready to access your reports. Navigate to the top menu and click on the Reports section. This will take you to a comprehensive dashboard where you can view and manage various financial reports, crucial for maintaining an accurate overview of your business operations. Here, you'll find detailed insights that can help you make informed financial decisions. With the reports dashboard open, it's time to focus on the accounts receivable aging summary. This report will let you monitor outstanding invoices and identify any potential cash flow issues timely. In the search bar, go ahead and type Accounts Receivable Aging Summary. This will save you time by directly leading you to the exact report you need, showcasing QuickBooks' efficiency in helping you maintain a pulse on your business's financial health. Once the correct report appears, click on it to open the Accounts Receivable Aging Summary. You'll gain insights into your outstanding invoices, organized by the number of days they've been outstanding. This detailed view will help you quickly identify which clients need follow-up for unpaid invoices, aiding in better cash flow management and ensuring you receive payments on time. That's it. By following these steps, you'll have effectively accessed and utilized the Accounts Receivable Aging Report in QuickBooks Online. This tool plays a vital role in financial planning and monitoring the financial health of your business. I hope this walkthrough was helpful, and thank you for joining me today to enhance your QuickBooks skills.